Hello guys, I'm Dave, and today is day 10 of my public speaking challenge. And I want to do this challenge in a card day because it is something that I always want to try because I saw a lot of people are doing this as well. So anyway, today is a very special day because I came to visit my girlfriend today. So we are actually living in a different state and I will visit her on a monthly basis because we are actually a long distance relationship. And now we are heading to buy our supper, our favorite supper, McDonald's. So yeah, so we are still not sure what we are going to eat. She's ordering right now, and I'm pretty sure she don't want to show her face. I'm just gonna put it here, under here. Yeah, nothing much to share today. It's just a very spontaneous video. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.